Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, so in this channel you will get to learn all about Tally ERP9 with GST, Income Tax e-filing, GST e-filing as well as Tally Prime. You will also be learning different accounting concepts which is very important in your career. Okay friends, so our today's video is based on accounting concept and that is nothing but what is balance sheet equation. Okay, so most of you must be knowing that balance sheet is equation is nothing but assets are equal to liabilities plus capital account. But how these assets are equal to liability plus capital account? So we will have a brief look regarding this equation in a video. Okay friends, so first of all I would like to tell you that you all must be familiar with balance sheet. On your left hand side you have liabilities, on your right hand side you have assets. So liabilities is nothing but it consists of equity as well as liabilities. Okay, so in equity you have the partner's capital account or the proprietor's capital account, and then you have current liabilities like sundry creditors or provisions. You also have your loans like your OD account, secured loans or unsecured loans. Okay friends, and what do you have on your asset side? So asset side consists of two parts. One is fixed asset and another is current asset. Okay friends, I would also like to tell you that liability side is nothing but it is known as sources of fund. So how you have acquired your funds into your business. So for running the business successfully, you require funds, and that funds is nothing but how you have acquired. What is the source of that particular fund? Whether you have acquired through OD account or whether you have acquired through loans like secured, unsecured, or you have made purchases but the payment has not been made to the party, and that will form the part of your current liabilities. Okay, sundry creditors. So these liability side is nothing but sources of fund. And why do we acquire that fund? In order to apply it in a business. And how we make the application. So asset side is nothing but the application of that funds. Okay, so what all comes to your asset side means how do we apply that funds to our business. So we make investment, we purchase fixed asset like plant and machinery, then electrical equipments and whatnot. Okay, and also we make investment in shares, in purchasing any land or any other investment. So the application is made in this way. So liability side is nothing but the sources of fund, asset side is nothing but it is the application of fund. Okay, so the balance sheet displays the company's total assets and how these assets are financed through either debt or equity. It can also be referred to as a statement of net worth or a statement of financial position. The balance sheet is based on the fundamental equation assets are equal to liabilities plus equity. Okay. So how do you calculate assets, capital and liabilities? Okay, so locate the company's total asset on the balance sheet for the period. Then total all liabilities, which should be a separate listing on the balance sheet. Locate total shareholders equity and add the number to total liabilities. So this will form total assets will be equal to sum of liabilities and total equity. Okay. For the correct balance sheet figures, you should also be perfect in your accounting concept. Okay, you should properly know that where you have to make the group of this particular expense. Okay, so you can't put sundry creditors under sundry debtors, or you can't group it as current asset because this will be like your balance sheet equation will be lost in this particular groupings. So to make the balance sheet look perfect, you have to make the groupings also perfectly. Okay, then what is capital assets and liabilities? Assets are the economic resources belonging to a business. Capital is the value of investment in the business by the owner. It is that part of the business that belongs to the owner, hence it is often described as owner's interest. Liabilities are the debts owned by the firm. Okay, so owner is having interest for the capital contributed by him, and the capital contributed is nothing but the equity of that particular company. And liabilities are nothing but debts like secured loans, unsecured loan, OD account, etc. And assets are the economic resources belonging to a business like your bank account, your cash in hand, your fixed asset, etc. Okay friends, so this was about the balance sheet equation. I have compiled the data in a very easy language and have made the video very short in order to understand that how the equation of balance sheet has been made. Okay, I will repeat again. The balance sheet equation is assets are equal to capital or equity plus liabilities. Okay friends, so I hope you must have cleared the concept about the balance sheet equation. If you have liked my video, do like it, comment it, and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Thank you.